What's up guys, it's Benson right here, and this is 1,000 euros equivalent to 630,000 naira. I'm going to be depositing this money into my FBS trading account through Naira bank transfer. I'm going to be placing 100 trades in one sitting. As if that's not crazy enough, I'm going to be doing that in one single pay. Make sure you are subscribed, turn on post notification, hit the like button, and share with friends and loved ones. Watch to the end to know how these challenges turns out. Here is the risk disclaimer. I'm aware of the risk that I could probably lose all of this money. Yes, I'm aware. I either flip this account or I blow it. Today, I'm going to be placing 100 trades in a sitting. Yesterday, I deposited money in my trading account, and this is what you can rightly see here, 1,000 US dollar. Here's an opportunity already for me to go short. The reason why I'm going to be doing this is that's the only way I can test out this broker that I'm currently using. If they are really efficient, how fast they are, what their spread is, the commissions and other things. After rigorous live trading with FBS, I recommend FBS. Here are some unique features you would enjoy when you sign up. It's a regulated broker, local bank transfer with no restrictions, instant deposit and withdrawal, all account types, fast execution, and many more. Sign up using the link in the description box. I'm not going anywhere, not until I get 100 trades placed. I'm not eating, I'm not doing anything, and I'm not betting until I get this stuff done. So I've been awake since 4 a.m. Yes, currently it's about 30 minutes past 6. So I'm going to be breaking it into 3 phases. I'm going to be talking about the strategy. I'm also going to be talking about the risk management. I'm also going to be talking about the psychology. To fully know all of this, I already made a video on this one. You can check this link here to watch that video. Main psychological level is 1.3900, while sub is 1.38500. All right. Sub, anyone that has 5. All right. Why the main is 1.3800. Sub 1.375. Main is 1.370, like that. So the handle of the week is determined by using the first 2 H4 candles, first 2 4 hours candle on your GBP USD. So the first 2 4 hour candle form for the week is this candle right here and this one. So you have to note the highest point and the lowest point. So this is the highest point, this is the lowest point. So whenever price touches this highest point, see it's rejecting. Touched here yesterday, dropped. Touched here today again. It's about to drop. We need about 2 to 3 conferences to let us to go short, and which is the other one you are seeing is trend line. So you can see trend line coming right from the top, touching right here. Trend line 1 bounce, second touching here, and we're expecting another drop. So that's what we're expecting. If this whole challenge whips, so I'm going to be losing $500. All right, so it's risk that is well controlled. I'm aware of this risk. I'm going to be getting first with 0.01. As time goes on, I'll start scaling it multiples of that, which is going to be 0.02. Then if it goes well, I'm going to be scaling to 0.05. That's what I'm going to be doing. Then if I see the momentum is too high, I drop again to 0.01. So this is just going to be the range. Always make sure you deposit money that you know you can afford to risk, money that you will not be under pressure to trade. For example, like do not deposit in your rent, do not deposit in your school fee, do not deposit in money that you probably borrow from a bank or from someone you love or in another not real relationship. So these are the things that you really have to be cautious of. Do not do any of these things. This is going to be our first trade, guys. Our first trade. So let me place that trade right in front of you guys. 1. I'm going to make sure it's 0.01 right there. And I'm going to be putting sell right there. Order is open. So I think there's kind of a delay right there. Let me check the commission. The charging is 0.30. That's 30 cents on 0.01. I'm supposed to be placing this trade at exactly 1.35. So, but that's the first trade though. Push up to this extent. Yeah, before we start having a sharp decline, because it would like to take out some stops before it start dropping. 0.01 again. I'm going to be adding, and I'll just click on sell. Almost click buy. No way. So this leaves us with 98 orders left to fulfill. So let's go. I think I should add one more right there too. So this can, because we have a long way to go. Let's place the same stop loss. So we have 97 more trades to go. I kind of think this is too much. Let me drop it out. Increase temperature. Yeah. For increasing temperature of the room, I think I should place 2 more trades. And I'll just go ahead and place 2 trades. We have placed our main trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 95 more trades to go. So these are first profits showing right here. I'm showing our first profit first live. First profit live. Still profit. Because you are seeing the first profit here, you are seeing our first profit. I'm going to go ahead. I'll just go ahead and add 3 new positions. So if I'm adding, I'm just adding 0.01. Good. So let me just make it up. So it's just 90. Let me add 2 more. We have right there. Yo guys, look at that drop right there. The drop is massive. It's massive right there. Okay. Power supply just went out, and this is not going to be disturbing this challenge. As a matter of fact, it's going to be even motivating us and even getting me more angry because the electricity power supply just went out. I'm going to be placing 5 new trades. Let's go right now. To those people who think I should have just used one standard lot or a huge lot size and not just break it to pieces. Now, there are 2 reasons why that is. Number 1 is because we are currently placing 100 trades. You don't expect me to start using huge lot sizes, all right? That's the challenge. And number 2, I must use smaller lot sizes because if I use bigger lot sizes, imagine I use bigger lot sizes at this bottom right here. Let's say, for example, I use 2.5 lot size right here. You only need 20 people for me to be out of negative $500. So for the sake of money management, risk management, yeah, I need to break it down into reasonable piece and go in little by little so that if it's moving my advantage, I enter bigger lot sizes so that it moves my advantage. But if it's going against me, I'll be able to minimize losses. So these are the 2 reasons why that is. We are placing 100 trades and we are risking 50% of the account. That's a lot of trades. So the number of trades, we can't change that because it must be 100 today. So the percentage, I'm not sure if we are going to adjust the percentage maybe a little higher because working with 50% and 100 trades is crazy. It's too much. Remember, we have 85 trades more to go. Now let me just add 3 new ones so that we'll be left with 82 to go. So it's currently about 7:59. I'm sure you'll consider 7:59. And this new candle would close soon. And a new one will pop up on 1 hour time frame. So let's think the new one might become bearish or aggressive bullish, but might spike up and start coming down. I don't know. But once 8 o'clock candle open, I see the reaction. Then I'm going to go add more position. Remember, we have 82 more left. Yeah, new candle just popped up. Right in your presence. It just popped up. So with this spike, I'm going to go in with 0.02 so that I will have a bigger entry at the top, a bigger lot sizes at the top, and smaller ones at the bottom. So despite all these ones, I'm just negative with $37 from $1,000. So that's a very good risk management. Let me exhaust next one. So we are having just we are left with 80 orders left. So all this one is 20. I just hit stop losses right here. Some of them hit stop loss, and I mean this is 9 trades out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one I hit stop losses, and in total I'm losing $30. You kind of just popped up. So for that reason, I'm going to be putting 5 new trades. I think I want to add 3 new more. I want to add 3 new more trades because of how the candles are shooting up right here and it's behaving nicely. Let me just add 3 new more trades. All right, right there. And I'm going to add one 0.02. So 0.02 right there at the top. And I'll add one more 0.02 again. So now we're having 3 0.02 over there. The rest 0.01. I'm going to place 3 trades so that we can be left with 70 trades. So I'll record that and go ahead and place 3 new trades. Here is where it gets tough. I think I should talk about psychology this time. You see, prices keep pushing up and up and up at this point. Now it's really getting disturbing. Although when I check my drawdown, I'm not worried because it's 53. I'm still not worried because I'm just down $53 out of $1,000. So it's still less than $100, which is 10%, less than 10%. I'm a little bit tensed. I'm currently down $54. I'll still start adding new position because I'm tense. Just to drop down my anxiety here, I need to place 5 new trades. I believe if I place these 5 new trades, I should be less tensed. Yes, it's crazy. Yeah, the way this trade is going is crazy. Well, normally I don't do this. I know what, but today I must make 100 trades. That's why I'm placing these heavy trades. That's why I'm doing it this way. I must make it a challenge. But in the morning, that feeling you get when you wake up and you really need to like take water, drink water. Yes, my throat, I need to take water. Place 5 trades for taking water. Yeah, but I'm not gonna use the lifeline right now. And I need to take water right now. Let me go ahead and place 5 trades at this point. Okay, 41 trades. I think I placed one in excess, so now I can go get my water. Yeah, so I think I'm good. The trades is pulling down, and I feel I should start adding more positions right there. I'm really getting tired just sitting straight. My back ache and yeah, my eyes drained. Just sitting down for 3 hours plus straight. A new pattern just formed, guys. M pattern at that top right there. So this is my favorite pattern to trade in GBP. So because it has formed, let me take this camera and come closer. Because this pattern formed, I'm just going to be adding multiple positions. Remember, I have 50 trades placed and have 50 left to go. All right, so I'm going to start placing again. So we've got running, we've got 51 and closed. We've got 9. All right, so in summation, this gives us the 60 trades that we've placed so far. 5 good hours that I'm sitting there. Now I want to pee. To do that, to pee, I think I just have to punish myself again by placing 5 trades right now and using 0.02. Let me take you closer. Right here. Yeah. Okay, so it's about this pattern M already formed, and whenever this pattern formed, this high react, I just wait for price to get to like to push up a little. I want to do like 50% to the body of this candle, to pull up 50% of the body of this bearish candle, then I start getting it again. That's how it works most time. I think this is really freaking out. I'm getting tired, meaning that I've woken up since 4. I'm still up right now, and further, I'm seated in one position. I can't relax my back, or I'm sitting like this. Else, I get it to be punished for that. Like I place unnecessary trade, which I'm not supposed to place. So currently, I have 30 trades left for me to complete this challenge. And it's currently 11:35. The time is 11:35. You can check that out there. $71 lost, okay, in this challenge. So I feel I'll just add more positions because I'm really tired. I'm getting tired. Let me add new positions so I can exhaust this challenge, so I can sleep. Literally, I'll be sitting down here for 6 hours now. So I'll just go ahead and add 5 new positions this time around. So I'm going to be placing 0.01 in 3 places and 0.05 in 2 places. Why am I doing that? Because I feel trade as you trace, and this should be the final lap to drop. It might go up a little, I might be wrong, but it's fine. I'm going to be adding 5 new positions. I'm going to be using 3 0.05 and 2 0.02. The reason is we are already breaking below this low. That's the reason why I'm going to be adding new position at this point. So that will make it 15 trades left, and that will be 85 trades that I've placed so far. Okay, with that said, on the stop loss level, you can see this point already add as a lot of consolidation. Yeah, I'm going to be moving the stop loss a little bit closer on all of these trades. All right, and once you see a candle breaks beneath this trend line, then I'm going to go crazy again with it. This is New York session. So now that it's New York session, all I just need to do is add new positions, and plus my entry, this candle already broke beneath this trend line. I'm going to add 5 new positions with 0.05. 5 new positions with 0.05. You come closer. All right. $70 right now in profit. Let's see what happens. Okay, I also learned that there's news 1, that's 6 minutes past 1. So it's gonna be news time by 1:30. I believe you can see like this. This is a stop loss here. You can see the stop loss value right there. So it's 1.38826. Right now we are currently in profit of about $31. But that does not matter because it might wipe out or even increase more during the news release. Whoa, it's flashed up right there. I don't know why. Good, I don't know. The computer is not connecting. Whoa, I think it took some of them out there. It took some out. I'm negative $52. It took some of this the trades out. I'm getting a new position because news just happened. I'm adding new 5 positions. Network has really been very messy. The screen refused to record right here. That's because I was waiting because battery is about to die. That's my battery life there. So how many percentage is left? This battery is just left with 18%, and I'm doing this challenge still. Okay, no problem. I just have to be shutting the PC down and at some point just so I can manage the phone. So this battery too is also about to go down, and the one I'm filming with the iPhone is also draining. Yeah, right now I'm a lot more tense, but I still just have to do what I've already written down. All right, I have my plan already. I'm so excited that I'll be able to hit the target of 100 trades in a day, in one sitting. All right, so this is a milestone for me in this channel. So I don't know about the profit. I'm ready to even lose the account or flip it. So we are still watching. Market is still not done yet. Let's sit down, just watch right now. It's time to watch. The PC died and I'm left with this one. Currently I'm running a very huge loss, but it doesn't matter. We have successfully placed the 100 trades, which is what we already aligned here. 14 are closed out. So since 14 is closed out, so we should have about 86 right here. It's crazy. But what I do in this scenario is I close out some trades that are really in huge losses so that I will have more equity to carry on all of that, so that I can fully protect this account. All right, yeah, like this one has the biggest loss, -26, -26. All this one to this one and this one. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be closing them out so that we can have enough breathing space. I'm down to 810 and the drawdown is 470 something. Before I started, I'm ready to risk this money. All right, it's money I know I can afford to risk. So I'm so not tense. I'm just okay and normal. Same way I'm feeling right now. Same way I'm still gonna feel if I even make money. Like I know there is some pressure when you're making money. There's a lot of anxiety, but I try to like even it out and make it feel as if okay, I don't feel too happy and I don't feel too sad with anything at all that comes. This camera died actually. My iPhone died, so I had to use my old PC to act as power bank. I really wish the laptop can charge the laptop. I would have used to charge my Mac. Alright, but this PC saved the day for this filming. They've restored the light. As you can see, everywhere is already illuminated. That's one challenge we face here in my country. Yes, most especially in my state. So right here, the trade is still moving very well. I spent over 11 hours trading in one spot and placing 100 trade in one spot. I actually slept off on the couch, and this is one thing I also did. I went to take my bed after waking up. Yes, you might say that's a violation of the rule. Yeah, I'm going to punish myself for that. So in order to punish myself for that, I'm going to be giving out $100 to anyone that sign up with FBS link in the description below. Trade for minimum of 2 days. I'm going to give you $100. So the first person to achieve that, I'm going to be giving you $100. Actually, we woke up 4 o'clock and I've not eaten. So I think I may just grab some sparkling drink. Fantastic. For taking the drink, I'm also going to be adding another $100 extra. So we're not just going to be having one winner, we need 2 winners this time. Any of these guys, I'm going to be giving them YouTube shout outs and Instagram shout outs in my next video. So click in the link in the description box or the link in the comment section, sign up with FBS and start day trading. So the first person to start trading wins this challenge. The time is 7:51. So this is more than 13 hours trading today. So I want to start closing out right now. This is time to start closing out. So you can see we're already in profit of about 521. So it's still the same account that I've been showing you guys. Still the same one. and these are the losses we've had so far. Okay, right now let me start closing out the one we have. So in total we are going to be, current balance is 810 and equity is 1,331. So let me start closing out. And this is the final one, and let's close out gently. Challenge completed. Here is my daily statement as sent to me by FPS exactly at 9. So it's a confirmation that it's 100 trades that I've placed. So far, so good in just one day. Thank you guys for sticking from the beginning of this video to the end. Make sure you attempt these challenges because I'll be more than glad to give you $100 each to first 2 persons to try out the challenge. If you are new to this channel, you're probably wondering how to start day trading. Make sure you check out the channel. I've made tons of videos on beginner's guide to Forex. Thank you guys for sticking around and see you guys in the next one, and bye for now.